Hello everyone and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to use voice control in ChatGPT. To start, search for voice control for ChatGPT in your internet browser. Then select the first link that appears on the search results. This will lead you to an extension called voice control for ChatGPT. Select the application or extension, and then you should be led here. On the right corner, click on the button that says Add to Chrome. And then on the pop-up, click on the button that says Add Extension. Once it has already been added, open another tab and head on over to chat.openai.com. On the right corner of your extensions, look for Voice Control for ChatGPT. Now, once you click on it, it will say please go to ChatGPT. Just click on the link or the highlight that says ChatGPT and then you should be redirected to openai.com's website. And then in here, on the bottom corner, there should be an option with a microphone icon. This will allow you to use your microphone or your voice to control ChatGPT. On the pop-up, just click on Allow. Now you can start recording your commands for ChatGPT. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.